Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play blocks 54 PCS. First, carefully stack all 54 wooden blocks to form a tall, stable tower. Arrange the blocks in sets of 3, laying them side by side. For each new layer, rotate the direction of the 3 blocks by 90 degrees. This creates a sturdy, crisscross pattern. Make sure the tower is perfectly balanced before starting the game. Now, it's time to begin. Players take turns, carefully removing just one block from anywhere below the highest complete 3-block layer. Remember, you must only use one hand to extract your chosen block. Take your time and be gentle, as any sudden movements could compromise the tower's stability. Choose wisely to avoid making the tower wobbly for the next player. Once you have successfully removed a block, you must then place it on the very top of the tower. Continue building new layers by placing 3 blocks side by side, alternating their direction with each new layer, just as you did during the initial setup. This process extends the tower's height, making the game progressively more challenging and exciting with every move. The game continues with players taking turns removing and placing blocks until the tower eventually becomes unstable and collapses. The person who makes the tower fall is the loser of that round. Conversely, the player who successfully places a block on top without causing the collapse is considered the winner. Gather all 54 blocks and reset for another thrilling game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.